everyone, welcome back to 12 Minutes to CLAT. This is Jyoti Bhardwaj and today we're going to talk about future of CLAT English. Well, so imagine you are a student and you were giving an exam in 2019 and it is 2019. Abhi chalo maan lete hain abhi 2019 chal raha hai. So you would have actually, memorized grammar rules, you would have practiced fill in the blanks, you would have mug up vocabulary lists, right? But fast forward today, if someone still prepares like that, they are they are actually preparing for an exam that doesn't exist. Kyun? Kyunki the consortium, it hasn't only changed the pattern, it has actually changed the purpose. वो कैसे? अब क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली ये नहीं रह गया है दैट डू यू नो इंग्लिश, कि आपको इंग्लिश बोलनी आती है, कि आपको इंग्लिश पढ़नी आती है. That is not the question anymore. Actually, the question is that can you actually think like a lawyer while reading? क्या आप उसकी तरह सोच सकते हो? So today, instead of like today as we are discussing this, so today instead of discussing the past for like 20 minutes, we'll just discuss it for 2 minutes and understand, and rest we'll talk about the things that we are supposed to do, the predictions and everything. So this is something that I said, it's written here. So can you think like a lawyer? Oh, wow. Well, now it is fine. Let me just make a few changes. Yup. So can you think like a lawyer? That is the question now. And it's a very good question because obviously you are future advocates, future, magistrates. So you should be like that, Okay, so बहुत ही cute सी बात बताती हूँ, and something that actually inspires me a lot. So I have a friend and she wants to be a model. Now this person, I'm talking about back when I was in hostel. So this person, she acts like a model all the time. She walks like a model. She lives the truth, right? That she one day wants to live. Right now, that is not her truth, but that is something she wants to live one day. This person, she would be coming out of the bathroom, right? So hostel mein, we did not have separate bathrooms. We had common bathrooms. So she would be coming out of the bathroom after a shower. She would be holding these baltis and all, the usme kapde hain. There will be towel on her head, and she would actually be walking like a model, carrying those buckets. Can you imagine? And people would laugh on her. People would mock her. Dekho, dekho, model ja rahi hai. But one day we were just talking and she said that if I want to be that, I'll have to live that, right? If I one day want to be a Victoria's Secret model, I'll have to be, practicing that. I'll have to, make myself feel that I am it already. That is called manifestation. So, well, chalo, evolution ki baat karte hain, coming back to the main topic. So, if you look at CLAT from 2020 to 2026, one thing becomes crystal clear, that the consortium has been remarkably consistent about one idea, and that is reading comprehension matter more than language knowledge. This is something you'll have to focus on. ये बहुत ही important है. Comprehension हमारे लिए बहुत important है. अगर comprehension नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं है, bro. Obviously, right? Okay. So moving on. Let's just understand कि evolution आया कैसे. So अगर हम सिर्फ evolution की बात करें, just 1 second. Yup. So हम evolution की अगर बात करें, so 2020 में सबसे बड़ा revolution आया और यहाँ पे grammar based questions जो हैं वो खत्म हो गए. Long passages arrived and inference actually replaced memorization, क्योंकि आपको सिर्फ passage पढ़ के याद नहीं रखना है, आपको infer भी करना है साथ में. 2021 से 2023 की अगर हम बात करें, so consortium again refined the model and instead of testing facts, it began testing thinking. Questions increasingly focused on main idea, tone, inference, vocabulary in context, author's purpose and all these things. Cut to 2024 से 2025, philosophy तो same रही. The only thing that changed was execution. Some years passages became denser, some years options became trickier, some years time pressure increased. So these are the things that happened. So this is an overview of everything that happened, but the core skill remained unchanged. Can you understand an unfamiliar passage and reason, you reason from it under time pressure? This is something that the author wants to know. Now he's not interested in if you are a connoisseur of English. He doesn't care about that. But can you understand? Can you reason? क्या तुम्हें समझ आता है मैं क्या पूछ रहा हूँ? क्या आर्ग्यूमेंट है? Right? So instead of asking will CLAT become easier or harder, ask what skills are required to clear CLAT, right? What are the rewarding skills? Okay. So and the answer are, of course, it is your focus. The answer has actually remained the same for 6 years, that these are the skills you need to focus upon. Okay. Moving on. Yes, what is this? Yep, let's just quickly make a prediction about what will happen, right? What is going to happen. Now actually comes the interesting part, that nobody knows the actual paper, of course, right? But trends जो भी ट्रेंड्स हैं, जो क्लूज हैं एंड एवरीथिंग, उससे अपन कनेक्ट करेंगे. एंड हियर आर माय 5 प्रेडिक्शंस. नंबर 1 इज रीडिंग विल रिमेन द बिगेस्ट डिफरेंशिएटर. Don't expect grammar to return. See, the consortium has spent 6 years building a comprehension based exam, so it is of course not going to change it at any cost, right? So that is not going to happen, and changing this kind of philosophy now would actually make this weird and will make no sense. So if anything, reading ability will actually become even more valuable. Okay. So prediction 2 here is inference questions will dominate. Yes, they will dominate. Students love factual questions, right? Examiners don't. Why? Because it is simple that facts cannot be tested in a way inference is tested. Facts can actually be located, right? Inference has to be understood, and that is what they are trying to do. So expect questions like all these: what is implied, which statement weakens the author's argument, what assumption is the author making, which option best captures the central idea. These are the things you'll have to focus on. These separate actually these questions, and if you answer these questions and you're able to understand these questions, this will actually separate you from, what do we say, an average reader, and this will separate an average reader from an excellent reader, right? So knowing these questions is important. Then prediction 3 is that vocabulary won't disappear, but it won't be direct. मतलब you'll have to forget, ये पूछेगा author कि what is the synonym of this. That is not going to happen. Instead expect, हाँ question ये पूछ सकता है कि what could be the synonym of this particular word according to the passage. तो आपको जाके पहले meaning देखना है, फिर उसका synonym आप बता पाओगे, right? What does this word most nearly means in the context of the passage? This is what the author is going to ask. Contextual vocabulary actually tests understanding. That is why this is how it is given. नहीं तो direct questions भी दे सकता है, but the author is actually emphasizing intentionally to to understand whether you have understanding or not. So yeah. Okay. Then prediction 4 is that topics will become even more diverse, which means कि जो आप पूछते रहते हो कि मैम न्यूज़पेपर कौन सा पढ़े, सी पैसेज सिर्फ न्यूज़पेपर से नहीं आने वाला है, राइट? सही क्वेश्चन है कि क्लैट पैसेजेस जो है वो सिर्फ न्यूज़पेपर से नहीं आते. सो सही आंसर, सॉरी ये सही आंसर है, बट सही क्वेश्चन ये है कि मैम क्या क्या पढ़ें. सो यूल हैव टू एक्सपेक्ट कि पैसेजेस कहीं से भी आ सकते हैं. वो एक AI रिलेटेड पैसेज हो सकता है, वो एक क्लाइमेट रिलेटेड पैसेज हो सकता है, वो किसी फिक्शन का टेक आउट हो सकता है, वो एक बेसिकली एक साइकोलॉजिकल पैसेज हो सकता है, सोशल इशू पे हो सकता है, वो फेमिनिज्म पे हो सकता है, वो वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट पे हो सकता है, वो टेक्नोलॉजी पे हो सकता है, वो फिलोसफी साइकोलॉजी किसी में भी हो सकता है. सो यूल हैव टू रीड मल्टीपल थिंग्स. ठीक है. Now yes, prediction number 5 here is that questions will increasingly overlap with logical reasoning. I know this is funny, but this is actually the biggest shift that students do not notice and they actually miss. क्यों? क्योंकि see, today's English section isn't just English. ठीक है. It is actually reading plus critical thinking. राइट. सो ओवरलैप करता है जब वो आपसे क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं, व्हाट इज द ऑथर्स टोन, व्हाट इज द पर्पस, व्हाट कैन यू इन्फर. जब वो ये सब क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं, you are actually solving critical reasoning questions inside an English section, right? So that's exactly why students with good reasoning skills will actually do good. अदरवाइज तो आपको देखना पड़ेगा, यू विल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? एंड ऑफ कोर्स these are the 5 predictions that you should keep in mind, of course. But before we discuss how should you prepare, I would tell you where you can prepare from, of course. But the main thing is that you prepare. कहीं से भी prepare करो, कैसे भी प्रिपेयर करो, बट प्रिपेयर करो. गिव डेडिकेटेड टाइम टू योर प्रिपरेशन, राइट? यू विल हैव टू गिव 2.5 to 3 hours every day to CLAT preparation. ठीक है. CLAT plus ALET preparation, क्योंकि ओवरलैप करता है वो भी. सो कहाँ से प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो? दिस इज वेयर यू कैन प्रिपेयर फ्रॉम. वी हैव बैचेस कॉल्ड उज्ज्वल प्लस, उज्ज्वल प्लैटिनम. वी हैव मोर बैचेस, बट दीज आर द मोस्ट रीसेंट बैचेस दैट वी हैव. ठीक है. सो प्लैटिनम ऑलवेज हैव सम एक्स्ट्रा ऑफरिंग्स in compared to plus, but that doesn't mean plus does not have the things that are required. You just have to think about it, and plus has it, but you name it and platinum has it. So that is the difference. And then we have one Parakaram batch. It is a droppers batch. अगर आप prepare करने की सोच रहे हो, you've taken a drop and you still think कि कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, so this is something you can join these. This is the phone number, the website given here, and if you would like to enroll with us, go for it. So now coming on to the main thing, which is how should you prepare. 1, read daily, but read actively. Don't just finish articles. Now अगर ये prediction सही है, all the predictions, so your preparation must also change. And reading is something that you'll have to do every day. If you're not reading every day, then that isn't a very good call, right? So read every day and ask yourself, पूछो passage पढ़ते हुए, जो भी पढ़ रहे हो उसको पढ़ते हुए, that what's the main idea, what's the author's tone, what's the evidence, what's the conclusion. ये इसी पे based होता है पूरा passage. अगर आपने ये क्रैक करना शुरू कर दिया और आपने समझना शुरू कर दिया कि क्या क्या ये आंसर्स है, then you would do good in life. ठीक है. In life as in for the paper. 2, stop memorizing vocabulary lists. Yes. Instead, whenever you encounter a new word, understand it from the context that it is coming from. ठीक है. डेफिनेशंस याद करके उनको रटने से कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. यू विल हैव टू नो द कॉन्टेक्स्ट, बिकॉज दैट इज एग्जैक्टली जो आपसे पैसेज में पूछा जाता है, राइट? दैट इज एग्जैक्टली हाउ CLAT आस्क क्वेश्चंस. नाउ Third is read beyond newspapers. You'll have to read essays, you'll have to read science articles, you'll have to read opinion pieces, you'll have to read philosophy, you'll have to read books basically, apart from the normal books that you read, because there are books जिनसे passages आए हैं. One book I'll name, Animal Farm. Last year एक book से आया Sapiens. और भी अच्छी बुक्स हैं. अल्केमिस्ट पढ़ो, द अल्केमिस्ट पढ़ो, सेपियंस पढ़ो पर, ठीक है. you'll have to train your brain, and if you train your brain, it will become comfortable with unfamiliar topics. Otherwise it will become a problem for you, because that's unfamiliar topic is exactly what is being tested, right? Because that's exactly what the एग्जाम डिमांड्स, राइट, कि आप अनफेमिलियर पैसेजेस के साथ भी कंफर्टेबल रहते हो, वो टाइम प्रेशर में उनको पढ़ पाते हो नहीं पढ़ पाते हो, दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड फोर इज प्रैक्टिस एलिमिनेशन. एलिमिनेशन एज एन ऑप्शंस में से किस ऑप्शन को आपको 4 ऑप्शंस में से एलिमिनेट करना है, राइट. द फ्यूचर ऑफ क्लैट would not depend on finding the correct answer. It would actually depend on rejecting the options that look attractive, right? That's exactly where rank is decided, by the way. Okay? And that is it for today. If you have any questions, any doubts, just let me know. But let me just leave you with one final thought. So most students, they think कि CLAT English is becoming harder. I don't think so. Trust me. I think it's becoming honest. It's becoming more honest actually. It was honest, but now it is becoming more, honest. Earlier ऐसा होता था कि वो memorization को reward करती थी, but अब वो understanding को reward करती है, right? So आप कितना समझ पा रहे हैं, आप उसको समझ के कितना आंसर कर पा रहे हैं, that is something you will have to understand. So remember कि कंसोर्टियम को वो स्टूडेंट्स ही चाहिए जो इंग्लिश पढ़ सकते हैं, उनको वो स्टूडेंट्स चाहिए who can actually think through English, ठीक है. And be kind to yourself, give yourself well-deserved breaks and all. Don't exhaust yourself, keep preparing, and we are always here for you. All the best. I'll see you in the next session.